Hi 8th grade, this is Ms. B here with Quest Review Day 3. We're going to start today by looking over one example in which we're given 4 sets of points and we have to write a linear equation in order to solve the system. So it says line A passes through the points 1, 6 and 322. Line B passes through the points 321 and 642. For part A, we are to write a system of equations to represent lines A and lines B. Be sure to keep your work organized. Split part 1 into 2 sections and write line A and line B. In order to write a linear equation, when given 2 points, we must create our XY table. So we have the point 1, 6, 3, and 22. The change in the Y values increases by 16. The change in the X values increases by 2. Therefore, our slope is 16 over 2, which simplifies to positive 8. Using substitution to solve for the y-intercept, we have y equals 8x plus b. And to find the y-intercept, we are substituting 6 for y and 1 for x. So 6 equals 8 plus b. If we subtract 8 on both sides, we find that our y-intercept is equal to negative 2. So putting it all together, our final equation is y equals 8x minus 2 for line A. For line B, we're given the coordinates 3 and 21, 6 and 42. The change in the y values increases by 21. The change in the x values increases by 3. So our slope is 21 over 3, which simplifies to positive 7. And using substitution to solve for the y-intercept, we have y equals 7x plus b. I'm going to substitute the first point, 21 for y and 3 for x. If 21 is equal to 21 plus b, then b must equal 0. So our equation for line B is y equals 7x plus 0. So for part B, we have to identify the intersection point to the system formed by lines A and line B. So if y equals 8x minus 2 and y equals 7x, we can use substitution to solve the system of equations. So we're going to set both sides equal to one another. 8x minus 2 equals 7x. And now, in order to solve for x, we must bring our variables to one side of the equation, giving us 1x minus 2 equals 0. And to solve for x, we're going to bring the constant to the opposite side, which means that 1x, or x, is equal to positive 2. So we have the x coordinate to our solution. Since x is equal to 2, I can use substitution to solve for the y coordinate. One of these equations is easier to solve than the other. In the second one, we have fewer steps. Y equals 7 times 2, which means y is 14. So the solution to the system of equations, or the point of intersection, is at 2, 14. Be sure to write your final answer as an ordered pair.